Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students who are listening to me. Well, I hope you all are fine. I am your English teacher and my name is Miss Anila Raza. I hope you all remember me. Okay, so my kids, what we are going to study today, do you have any idea? Well, in this picture, what is written here? Reading comprehension. So what we are going to do today, we are going to read a comprehension. Okay, so let's just begin with our lesson. First of all, I will just tell you what is this comprehension. What does comprehension means? Comprehension means I understand what I read. Okay, comprehension means to understand what you read. To understand whatever you read. Okay. Now, here I'll just tell you the steps of doing a comprehension, of reading a comprehension. Step number 1 is read the passage. First of all, what you have to do, you have to read the passage. You have to read the passage carefully, okay? Number 2, you have to try to understand that text, okay? Try to understand that text by thinking deeply, okay? The third step is answer the given questions for that comprehension. Answer the given questions, okay? So number 1 step is to read the passage. After reading it, number 2, you have to try to understand everything written in that comprehension. And number 3 is to answer the questions. How you can answer the questions? You will find those answers in that comprehension, okay? Now, here is the comprehension book. Okay, this is the book of class 2. It looks like this. What you have to do, students, write your name in class over here. Okay, and then let's just begin with our comprehension. Today we'll do comprehension 2. But what about this picture? Why are these penguins over here? I don't know. Let's just see why these penguins are here. Okay, now here you have your comprehension 2, strange birds. And that is on page number 3 of your book. Page number 3 of your book. Strange birds. Why the topic is strange birds, and here these are again the penguins. I think they have called these penguins as strange birds. But why they have called the penguins strange birds? Let's just find out the answer of it. Okay, and let's just begin with comprehension. Now everyone read along with me. Penguin is a large seabird which is found in Antarctic regions. Okay, penguin is a large seabird. Penguin is a seabird which is found in Antarctic regions. Antarctic regions region means area, okay? And Antarctic means the area that is covered with ice and water. It is very cold, okay? So it means that penguin is a seabird which can be found in the cold areas where there is ice and water. Now, penguins are birds that cannot fly. What kind of birds are these that cannot fly? I think that's why they have called them strange birds, right? Because these are the birds that cannot fly. That's why they are strange birds. Yes. Their wings are flippers, which they use to help them travel up to 30 miles per hour in water. Okay. Their wings are flippers. They have the wings, but their wings are flippers, which they use to help them travel up to 30 miles per hour in water. It means that flippers help them to swim, and they also use their flippers for balancing as they walk. Okay, their flippers not just help them to swim, but they also use their flippers for balancing as they walk. What is the flipper? What does flipper means here? In this picture, can you see this? These are the flippers, okay? The flippers are the flat arms without fingers, okay? They use those arms to swim and to balance when they walk, okay? Now moving to the next paragraph. Penguins eat fish. Wow, what they eat? They eat fish. They spend most of their time in the water. Where they spend most of their time? In water. Penguins lay their eggs and raise their young on land. Penguins lay their eggs where? On the land, not in water, okay? And raise their young. Young means their kids. They raise their kids on land, not in water, okay? Now, there are many different kinds of penguins. Okay, now they are talking about the different types of penguins. Emperor penguins are the largest species of penguin, okay, and can grow to be about 4 feet tall and weigh about 100 pounds. Okay, they are saying that emperor penguins are the largest species that can be found, and they can grow about 4 feet tall, and their weight can be of 100 pounds. It means they are very large and fat. Now, some other well-known penguins are the king penguin, the macaroni penguin, and the Adelie penguin. Okay, so here we have just read about the types. Now, just try to understand what we have read in this comprehension. Okay, here we have read that where do they live and what do they do with their flippers. Okay, here we have read that what do they eat and where do they lay eggs and raise their youngs and where they spend the most of their time. Here we have read about different types of different types of penguins. Okay, now let's just move to the next page. Okay, here I have just shown you some pictures. Okay, here you can see the picture of penguins. This is the Antarctic region. Here is the water, here is the ice, and here are the beautiful penguins, right? So they live in these Antarctic region, okay? Now moving to the next picture. What are these? These are the flippers, okay? Now you can see they're using their flippers to balance themselves when they're walking. These are the flippers. These are the flippers, okay? They use them when they swim in the water and they use them while walking just to balance themselves, okay? Now moving to the next. Here we have the different types of penguins, okay, as you have read in the comprehension. This is the type of emperor penguin. These are emperor penguins. As we have read that emperor penguins are the largest species and they are very tall, 4 feet tall and weigh about 100 pounds. Okay, yes, they are very tall and fat. Now, these are the king penguins. These are the king penguins. Okay. Now the third type is macaroni penguins. They look just very different. They are having something on their head, right? They are different. And the fourth one is Adelie penguins. Okay. So I hope now you have all have got about this comprehension, what we have read it. Okay. Now let's just do the exercise. On page number 4, you have your exercise related to this comprehension. Now, let's just read number 1. what you have in this exercise, you have to choose the best answers. Okay, you have given 3 options and you have to choose the correct answer. Now, number 1, a penguin is a dash, bird, reptile, or fish. A penguin is a bird. Very good. Number 2, a penguin can swim up to dash miles per hour. A penguin can swim up to, just find the answer in your comprehension. It's on first paragraph. A penguin can swim up to 30 miles per hour. Okay. Now number 3, penguins like to eat dash, pizzas, eggs, or fish. Just look at the first line of second paragraph and there you'll get the answer. Penguins like to eat fish. Okay. Now number 4, penguins spend most of their time in the dash, desert, zoo, or water. Where do they live the most? Again, you can find the answer in the second paragraph and the second sentence of it. They spend most of their time in the water. Okay. Now number 5, the dash penguin is the largest penguin. Emperor, macaroni, king. Again, you can find the answer in third paragraph. Dash penguin is the largest penguin. Emperor penguin. Okay. Then number 6, a penguin is a bird that can't dash, eat, swim, fly. A penguin is a bird that can't fly, and this answer you can see in the first paragraph. Okay, a penguin is a bird that can't fly. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this comprehension. Okay, thank you for listening to your teacher. I hope you all have enjoyed it and you'll share this comprehension with your parents. Thank you.